guys, today we are taking a look at tripod stand with bag by ProSmart. Now on the side of the box, as you can see, most of the features are mentioned. Let's unbox this and take a look at the tripod. Now upon unboxing, we get the tripod inside a bag which you can use to carry this tripod around, and we also get a phone mount with it, as you can see here. This is an adjustable phone mount which you can use to mount your smartphone on this tripod. Let's take out the tripod out of the bag and take a look at it. Now this tripod is completely adjustable according to your needs. This tripod has a three-way moving head which you can use to adjust according to your requirements, and this is a completely adjustable tripod. The legs of this tripod have three phases which you can use to adjust the height of the tripod, and there is also a level indicator on the top of the tripod. Now let's take a look at the phone mount. With this phone mount, you can mount your smartphone as seen here. I have mounted an iPhone SE first generation on this tripod. After attaching the smartphone, it is really easy to maneuver as shown here. There are different levers and screws to adjust the height and the direction of the smartphone. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.